Going from comfort, sport, and then for sport plus. There's a difference. Good day guys, still from Mzansi Petrol Headz here, and today I'm at Inspector Cars in Gezina. We have the 2016 AMG GTS with the nice V8 bi-turbo. This is boasting 375 kilowatts, but catch this. This is four-wheel drive and it takes 3.5 seconds to get to 100, and this takes 3.4. Find it hard to believe because we do know that the AMG GTSs do struggle with getting off the line when it's time to drag race. So, which one would you prefer? Personally, I'm an AMG fan. I'll take this any day over this. And besides, this is more fun than this. Rear-wheel drive beats four-wheel drive any day. Come on, guys. There's no arguing with that. And they do say that curvy roads are for fast drivers, straight roads are for fast cars. So, which do you fall under? But yes, so carrying on to that, as I did say, in partnership with Inspector Cars in Gezina, these cars are for sale and many other cars. I just chose this supercars for an intro, as I said, and I say that a lot, which I think is super awesome. This is going for 1.5 mil. Difference is that this has 39,000 Ks on the road, 44,000 Ks. Too good to be true, right? But I mean, people who own these cars really drive them. These are Sunday cars. As daily cars, I don't know if you take them as daily cars. Would you or would you not? But yeah, I would be showing you guys a video of the sound up and the revs of these cars. Thank God for my partnership with these guys that I have a lot of access to do a lot of things. I won't be driving them just yet, but you can expect that within the next coming weeks or couple of months. Tell me which car you guys would like to see more. I put a poll out on Instagram and I saw that people are more into the AMG GTS. You see, I like y'all have taste, y'all have style. Not to say that already is a bad car, but in this term it's an older car and you have less fun in this than you can have in this. FYI, if you don't know how to drive properly, don't put this car in Sport Plus or in Race Mode on the road. Just don't. Let me not give you excuses why not. But yes, going on to that, guys, as you can see, I'm in partnership with these people at Inspector Cars in Gezina. If you're looking to buy or sell a car, I'm your man to go to. They do say that Mzansi Petrol is the 12th official language, are your one-stop site for everything cars. Whether it's selling, buying, leasing, renting, fixing, tuning, detailing, car photography. I mean, we do it all. We do it all. As you can see today, I'm trying to sell these two. I mean, I know these are dream cars, but the day you do save up and get it, I mean, come for it. If you feel like you want to get these cash and you can actually afford it, my brother, please hit us up in the DMs. Mzansi Petrol will be at your assistance. Anything to do with cars, we are your one-stop car site. Mzansi Petrol.
Oh, itu kosong, kosong. Kita.
So now we are in the Audi R8 2013 V10 model. This is boasting 404 kilowatts, guys, and this car takes only 3.5 seconds to 0 to 100. For an old car, that's pretty quick. Although it has more kilowatts than that car, surprisingly it takes less time to get to 100. This is four-wheel drive. And you know, this sounds pretty hefty to me. I mean, just listen to this. Oh. V10 over V8, what's your choice? What's your choice, guys? And I mean, let me...
Stay tuned for the second part of this review, as it's gonna be a killer one. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.